Hi, my name is Hiren Suru and welcome to my channel Art by Hiren Suru. Rajasthan, the land of vibrant colors and royal heritage, is known for its rich cultural traditions, folk dances, and intricate art forms. The traditional attire of Rajasthan reflects its grandeur and deep-rooted traditions. Women often wear the iconic Ghagru choli with a dupatta, beautifully adorned with embroidery, mirror work, and vibrant colors. The orni wheel is a significant part of their attire, adding grace and elegance. In this painting, I have depicted a mesmerizing Rajasthani dancer in motion, her flowing skirt capturing the essence of Rajasthan's folk dance. The bright hues symbolize the spirit and energy of the land, while the intricate brushstrokes bring out the depth and the movement of the dance. Let me know your thoughts about this painting in the comments. So without wasting any time further, let's go ahead with the video.
I started the painting by first drawing human body using 8 head method. If you want to learn how to draw human body, refer to this video. I painted the background first with black color, then used Prussian blue to give texture with knife, use of scarlet red for the pillars. I use brush to paint the background first and then use knife on that to give textures. It helps me to save a lot of colors. I am now using cadmium yellow medium to give effect of light, cadmium yellow medium and scarlet red for the veil or the orni, Russian blue for the blouse or the choli, the light is falling from the left side, so I'll be using lighter shades on the left side and darker shades on the right side. I am now using light blue for the blouse and the skirt as well. Using light blue and Prussian blue for the floor. Now using cadmium yellow medium, light blue and medium magenta to give design to the skirt. You will notice the movement of the brush in the direction of the wrinkles on the skirt. A touch of scarlet red to give impression of design on the skirt. You would notice while doing the pillars, I am using lighter shades on the left side to give impression of the light falling from the left side. I will now be giving texture to the floor. To avoid wastage of the colors, I put colors directly on the canvas instead of the palette. I am using knife to spread, mix and give texture to the colors. Use of magenta to create design on the ghagra. Now using Indian red to give effect of shadow on the ghagra. I am moving my knife in the direction of the wrinkles on the ghagra. I used Indian red for the skin, then used portrait pink on the side of the body where the light is falling, and then mix the two. Cadmium yellow medium, light blue and medium magenta. For the next pillar, I put colors directly on the canvas instead of palette to avoid the wastage. Now mixing the colors using knife. Light touch of light blue with knife. Moving my knife in the direction of the wrinkles. Touch of lemon yellow to give effect of light falling from the left side. Now using titanium white and portrait pink and then mixing the two on the canvas itself. White is more on the left side of the face and the body, to give effect of light falling from the left side. Using more of light blue on the left side to give effect of the light. Cadmium yellow to give design and texture to the choli. More use of light blue and yellow to the left side of the blouse. Abstract Impressionism is a way of painting that does not show real things like people, trees, or buildings. Instead, it uses colors, shapes, and brushstrokes to show feelings and emotions. The artist paints in a free and loose style, letting the colors and movement create a mood. Everyone who looks at the painting might see something different or feel a different emotion. It is not about making a perfect picture, but about expressing energy and imagination through art. Another interesting aspect of abstract impressionism is a focus on creative freedom. Artists in this style do not follow strict rules. Instead, they let their emotions guide them as they paint. They might use techniques like drip painting, where the paint is splattered on the canvas, or mix thick and thin layers of colors to add texture. This approach means that each painting is unique and can look very different, even if made by the same artist. The art invites viewers to feel and interpret the work in their own personal way, making each experience with the painting special. Using cadmium yellow medium to color the veil or the orni. Moving knife in the direction of the flow of the orni. Using medium magenta to give impression of the design on the orni. It's now time to give final touches to the painting. I'm using light shades of the colors to give highlights, titanium white to give highlight to the orni, using light blue and lemon yellow to give the highlights. A touch of cobalt teal to add to the design of the orni. a touch of cobalt teal to give impression of design to the pillar. Touch of cadmium yellow medium and grey to reduce darkness in the background and also to give impression of some object in the background. This completes the painting. I would love to hear thoughts and feedback in the comments. If you have learned something from this video, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe my channel. See you again in my next video. I will come with more information on art, tips and techniques.